Welcome, history buffs. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey through time and space, delving into one of the most captivating and enigmatic tales of the ancient world. The story of Atlantis has fascinated people for generations, and today we will explore its many layers, from its origins in ancient texts to the modern theories that continue to intrigue us. The legend of Atlantis is not just a story, it is a window into our collective imagination. A tale that has been told and retold, each time adding new dimensions and mysteries. Today I'm diving into the mysterious and fascinating world of Atlantis. This legendary island has intrigued scholars, adventurers and dreamers for centuries, sparking countless theories and debates. The allure of a lost civilization with its advanced technology and culture has kept the legend alive in our collective imagination. The idea that such a place could have existed with its own unique advancements and way of life is both thrilling and thought-provoking. Ever since Plato first mentioned this legendary island in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias, Atlantis has captured our imagination. Plato described it as a powerful and advanced civilization that met a tragic end. His vivid descriptions have led many to wonder if there could be a kernel of truth hidden within the myth. The dialogues of Plato are not just historical texts, they are literary masterpieces that have shaped our understanding of ancient philosophy and storytelling. But what do we really know about it? Is it a mere figment of Plato's imagination? Or could there be a kernel of truth hidden within the myth? The story of Atlantis is not just a tale of a lost city. It is a reflection of human curiosity and the eternal quest for knowledge. It challenges us to look beyond the surface and question what we know about our past. The mystery of Atlantis is a testament to our desire to uncover the unknown and to understand the complexities of ancient civilizations. First, let's set the scene. Imagine a world where civilizations flourished with remarkable advancements in technology, architecture, and culture. Atlantis was said to be one such civilization, thriving in an era long before recorded history. The idea of such a place existing in the distant past is both thrilling and mysterious. The landscapes of Atlantis, as described by Plato, were lush and vibrant, filled with natural beauty and human ingenuity. The architecture was grand and sophisticated, reflecting a society that valued both aesthetics and functionality. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and technologically advanced civilization that existed around 9,000 years before his time. This places Atlantis in a time period that predates many known ancient civilizations. The notion of a society with such advanced capabilities so long ago challenges our understanding of history. The technology of Atlantis, as described, included advanced engineering, impressive naval capabilities, and innovative agricultural practices. These descriptions paint a picture of a society that was ahead of its time, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. It was said to be located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, what we now know as the Strait of Gibraltar. This location has led to much speculation about where Atlantis might have been situated. The idea of a lost city lying somewhere in the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean has fueled countless expeditions and research projects. The geographical clues provided by Plato have been analyzed and debated by scholars and explorers, each offering their own interpretations and theories. Picture a thriving metropolis with grand architecture, lush landscapes, and an impressive naval fleet. The city was described as having concentric rings of land and water, with a central island housing the royal palace. This intricate design speaks to a level of sophistication that continues to amaze us. The layout of Atlantis, with its concentric rings, suggests a society that valued order and harmony, integrating natural elements with human-made structures in a way that was both functional and aesthetically pleasing. But what caused Atlantis to sink into the ocean, becoming one of history's greatest mysteries? The sudden and dramatic disappearance of such a powerful civilization has fueled endless speculation. Was it a natural disaster, a war, or something else entirely? Theories abound, each offering a different perspective on the fate of Atlantis. Some suggest that internal strife and corruption led to its downfall, while others point to external factors such as invasions or environmental changes. Plato tells us it was due to a catastrophic natural disaster, earthquakes and floods of immense magnitude. These events were said to have occurred in a single day and night of misfortune. The idea of a civilization being wiped out so suddenly adds to the mystique of Atlantis. The descriptions of these cataclysmic events are both dramatic and haunting, painting a picture of a world in turmoil and chaos. The suddenness of the disaster, as described by Plato, suggests a vulnerability that even the most advanced civilizations cannot escape. Some theories suggest it could have been a volcanic eruption, similar to the one that destroyed the Minoan civilization on the island of Thera, now known as Santorini. The eruption of Thera was one of the most powerful volcanic events in recorded history. Could a similar event have caused the downfall of Atlantis? The parallels between the destruction of Thera and the story of Atlantis are striking, leading some to speculate that the two events may be connected. The geological evidence from Thera provides a tangible link to the kind of catastrophic event described by Plato. Now, let's explore some modern theories. Over the years, researchers and enthusiasts have proposed various locations and explanations for the Atlantis legend. The search for Atlantis has taken us to many corners of the globe, each with its own unique story to tell. From the depths of the Atlantic Ocean to the deserts of North Africa, the quest for Atlantis has inspired countless expeditions and research projects. Each new theory adds a layer of complexity to the mystery, challenging us to think critically and creatively about the past. Some researchers believe Atlantis might have been a real place, pointing to locations like the Azores, the Canary Islands, or even areas in the Mediterranean. These locations share some similarities with Plato's descriptions. The possibility that Atlantis could be hidden beneath the waves in one of these areas is tantalizing. The search for physical evidence of Atlantis has led to the discovery of numerous ancient sites, each offering its own clues and mysteries. The similarities between these sites and Plato's descriptions suggest that there may be a historical basis for the legend. Others think it's purely a myth, a moral story created by Plato to illustrate his philosophical ideas. Plato's dialogues often used allegory to convey deeper meanings about society and human nature. The story of Atlantis could be seen as a cautionary tale about hubris and the consequences of moral decay. The philosophical interpretations of the Atlantis story offer a different perspective, focusing on the lessons and messages embedded in the narrative. These interpretations remind us that myths and legends often serve as vehicles for deeper truths and insights. Interestingly, there's even a hypothesis that Atlantis was actually a misunderstanding of ancient stories about the Black Sea flood around 5600 BC. This event would have had a profound impact on the civilizations living in the region. The sudden rise in sea levels could have inspired tales of a lost city. The Black Sea flood hypothesis offers a compelling explanation for the origins of the Atlantis legend, linking it to a real historical event. The geological and archaeological evidence from the Black Sea region provides a tangible connection to the kind of catastrophic event described by Plato. This theory suggests that a massive influx of water from the Mediterranean Sea could have drowned a pre-existing civilization. The sudden rise in sea levels would have been catastrophic for any settlements in the area. The idea that a real event could have inspired the legend of Atlantis adds a layer of historical intrigue. The impact of the Black Sea flood on ancient civilizations would have been profound, reshaping the landscape and displacing entire communities. The connection between this event and the Atlantis legend highlights the ways in which historical events can be transformed into myths and legends over time. But why does Atlantis still captivate us today? The allure of a lost world filled with untapped knowledge and advanced technology continues to spark our curiosity and imagination. The mystery of Atlantis is a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown. The story of Atlantis resonates with us on a deep level, tapping into our desire to explore and discover. The idea of a lost civilization with its own unique culture and advancements challenges us to think about the possibilities of what might have been. It's the allure of the unknown, the idea of a lost world full of untapped knowledge and advanced technology, the possibility that such a civilization could have existed and then vanished without a trace is both fascinating and haunting. The search for Atlantis is a quest that combines history, science, and a touch of fantasy. The mystery of Atlantis invites us to imagine a world that was once vibrant and thriving, now hidden beneath the waves. The search for this lost civilization is a journey that takes us to the farthest reaches of our imagination and our understanding of history. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll uncover definitive evidence that Atlantis was more than just a myth. Advances in technology and underwater archaeology may one day reveal the secrets of this lost civilization. The potential for new discoveries keeps the legend of Atlantis alive. The advancements in technology, such as underwater drones and sonar mapping, have opened up new possibilities for exploring the depths of the ocean. These tools may one day lead us to the remains of Atlantis, providing concrete evidence of its existence. Until then, the legend of Atlantis remains a tantalizing puzzle for historians, archaeologists, and adventurers alike. The search for Atlantis is a quest that combines history, science, and a touch of fantasy. Each new theory and discovery adds another piece to the puzzle. The ongoing search for Atlantis is a testament to our enduring curiosity and our desire to uncover the mysteries of the past. Each new discovery, whether it supports or challenges the legend, adds to our understanding of ancient civilizations and their stories. So what do you think? Could Atlantis have been real, or is it just a story? The debate continues, with new theories and discoveries emerging all the time. The legend of Atlantis challenges us to think about the nature of history and the possibility of forgotten civilizations. The ongoing debate about Atlantis reflects our broader questions about history and the nature of human civilization. The story of Atlantis invites us to consider the ways in which history is recorded and remembered, and the possibility that there are still many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Could Atlantis have been real, or is it just a story? The legend of Atlantis challenges us to think about the nature of history and the possibility of forgotten civilizations. The story of Atlantis is a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden beneath the surface of our world. The legend of Atlantis serves as a symbol of the unknown, a reminder that there are still many mysteries waiting to be discovered. The story invites us to keep exploring, to keep questioning, and to keep seeking the truth about our past. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Your insights and theories are always welcome in our quest to uncover the truth about ancient mysteries. The search for Atlantis is a journey that we can all be a part of. The community of history enthusiasts and explorers is a vital part of the ongoing quest to uncover the mysteries of the past. Your contributions and insights help to shape our understanding and keep the spirit of exploration alive. If you enjoyed this dive into ancient mysteries, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more historical explorations. See you next time. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders and enigmas of our past. The adventure of uncovering history's secrets is just beginning. The journey into the past is an ongoing adventure filled with discoveries and surprises. By joining us, you become a part of this exciting quest to uncover the secrets of our history and to understand the stories that have shaped our world.